Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Plants, Crochet Cooking and more. So much awaited sweet corn soup with a little bit of chicken is right here. First and foremost, we will start off by working on the chicken. We will take the chicken pieces with the bones and add half a cup of water into it and microwave it at power 70%, and the timer set for this will be 6 minutes. Remember to keep the casserole covered while you do this. At 6 minutes timer, I am going to start the microwave. While in the meantime, what I am going to do is I am going to work on the other vegetables. So here I have taken the sweet corn. To this I am going to add 4 cups of water. All the ingredients list will be given at the end of the video. You can check that out later. 4 cups of water will go into it. And then I'm going to add salt. About 1.5 teaspoons of salt. Then I'm going to add vinegar. About 1 tablespoon of vinegar. And then I'm going to add pepper powder into it, say a teaspoon or so, and some sugar. And here the 6 minutes has come to an end. Now I'm going to carefully remove this casserole from the microwave and let it cool. And here I had not added the sugar, so here I'm adding the sugar and butter. It's better that you add a little melted butter. Give this a good stir and then cover it and again put it into the microwave for 8 minutes. So at a high power for 8 minutes. Set the timer and press start. Meanwhile, we will dissolve corn flour in half a cup of water. Remember to always dissolve corn flour in cold water or else you are going to get lumps in it. Now the next step is that we are going to remove the chicken from the bones. So here we have the shredded chicken and the chicken broth. Now we will carefully take this container out from the microwave. Carefully remove it from the microwave and then you add the dissolved corn flour into it. Stir it once, just like how I am doing it, and then add it to this soup. Give it a quick stir and put it back into the microwave at a high percentage, full power, for 3 minutes. At a high power for 3 minutes and then press start. When you see the timer coming to 2, you pause it and then just remove the bowl out from the microwave and add the rest of the ingredients, that is the shredded chicken, the chicken broth, and then this is the chicken broth in which you had boiled the chicken. Then you add the carrots, next the cabbage. Both the carrots as well as the cabbage is finely grated. the soy sauce. The exact quantities are always given at the end of the video. Please look into it later. Stir it well. You can always check the seasoning at the end. If required, you can add some more salt. And then put it back into the microwave and then let it microwave for the rest 2 minutes. Check the seasoning at this point. If required, you add some more salt. I need to add some more salt. Mine is less. Stir it once again. And then microwave it at high power for 2 minutes. Cover the container when you do so. And then you take the casserole out from the microwave. Switch off the microwave and let it stand for 1 minute in this way, untouched. After 1 minute, remove the lid, stir it, and then your sweet corn soup with chicken is ready to be served. What more can you ask for on a cold winter night? You can serve it with anything you want to. It goes well with momos as well, or plain just soup will also do. We paired this sweet corn soup with chicken phaley and it turned out to be a blast. Do try this soup out. It is a very healthy soup and you can even have it as your evening snacks. I will add the link or provide the I button for the chicken phaley. You can check that out as well. So here, 3 bowls of soup ready for us for a happy family dinner. I hope you liked the video. Please do like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. And this is the ingredients list. We'll meet again very soon in our next video. Till then, happy eating!